Think growing on social media means you need a camera, a face, and tons of charisma? Well, you're missing out on one of the biggest content opportunities right now. And no, it's not about becoming an AI model. It's about flipping the whole content creation process and letting AI do the hard work for you. I used to believe growing meant grinding alone, endless filming, editing, and hoping for a viral hit. But I found people building massive audiences with zero filming, no scripts, and sometimes no talking at all, just smart AI repurposing existing videos. Not every AI tool is great though. I wasted money on platforms that were either confusing or didn't deliver the results I wanted. Some tools clipped videos but couldn't customize. Others claimed AI but missed viral moments. Nothing hit the mark until I found Vizard. Vizard changed the game. Upload a long video like a podcast or vlog, and it automatically finds viral moments and clips up to 8 scroll-stopping shorts. And these aren't just random clips, they're punchy, captioned, and ready to post with no extra tweaking needed. Other tools like Opus Clip or Dumme are okay, but they either cost too much or miss emotional beats that make content really pop. Vizard feels different. It gets the nuance, whether you're a solo creator, a podcast host, or managing clients. It basically edits itself. One of my favorite features is the AI-powered content calendar. You preview, approve, and it schedules posts across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels automatically. No more juggling multiple apps to stay consistent. This tool makes posting smooth and effortless. Vizard's use cases are broad. A wellness coach friend records once a week and gets all her daily content for the entire week in minutes. A coding bootcamp guy clips Q&As and lectures, and now he's blowing up on TikTok, attracting hundreds of signups organically. Even if your content is slow or chill, Vizard finds those emotionally resonant moments that really connect with viewers. Most tools focus on flashy edits, but miss the real substance. Vizard nails the tiny moments that get people commenting and sharing. I've been remixing clips with different hooks and captions, all inside Vizard, no timeline edits required. For someone who hated editing, that's amazing. The best part? It's affordable and easy. No expensive plans locking features behind paywalls like other Pro Tools do. Recently, I uploaded an old interview from years ago, and Vizard pulled out a gem that got real engagement and DMs from viewers. That's content mining at its finest, turning your archives into fresh eyeballs without extra work. So whether you're a creator with unused content or a founder growing your brand, you've got an on-demand editor working 24/7. You could wait for a perfect editor or freelancers, or just let Vizard detect viral moments and schedule posts while you sip your coffee. That's the new way to approach content: consistent, scalable, and smart. Try uploading an old video and see what Vizard finds. You might be surprised at the gold hiding in your content. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you in the next one.